Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have Blackview A200 and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. To do that, open Google Chrome application or something like that would have more information than you have on one side of screen where we can scroll something. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time and tap on long screenshot. And now it is scrolling and adding more information to our long screenshot. When we have all we need, we press on our screen to stop it. And that's all. We have our long screenshot, which is in our gallery when we press save, and we have it. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.